Money can be scary. It can feel overwhelming when you don't know where it's going or how to manage it. Don't let it control you. Take control of it. Financial planning is key. It empowers you to make informed decisions. It is not just for the rich. It is for everyone. No matter your income level, you can benefit from planning. It's about making your money work for you. Everyone has financial goals, whether big or small. Maybe it's buying a house, maybe it's retiring early, or perhaps it's saving for your child's education. Financial planning helps you get there. It provides a roadmap to achieve your dreams. It's about making a plan and sticking to it. Consistency is key. The first step is to understand where your money is going. Awareness is crucial. Track your income and expenses. This helps you see the bigger picture. Then, create a budget that works for you. Tailor it to fit your lifestyle and goals. Financial planning is a journey. It's not a one-time event. There will be ups and downs. Flexibility and adaptability are important. But with a solid plan, you can achieve your financial dreams. Stay committed and watch your goals become reality. Budgeting is simple with the 50-30-20 rule. This is a great starting point for anyone. It helps you allocate your after-tax income effectively. 50% of your income goes to needs. This includes housing, food, and transportation. These are your essential expenses. Keep these lean and mean. 30% is for your wants. This covers entertainment, dining out, and hobbies. It's about enjoying life while staying on track. The remaining 20% is for savings and debt repayment. This is crucial for your financial future. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt first. Life throws curveballs. Unexpected events can happen at any time, catching us off guard. Be prepared with an emergency fund. This fund acts as a financial cushion. This is a safety net for unexpected expenses. It ensures you have the resources to handle emergencies. It could be a medical bill or a car repair. These costs can be significant and stressful. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This amount provides a solid buffer. This may seem like a lot, but remember, every small contribution adds up over time. Start small and gradually build it up. Consistency is key to growing your fund. Consider a high-yield savings account. These accounts offer better returns. These accounts offer higher interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts. Your money grows faster, maximizing your savings. Having an emergency fund provides peace of mind. You can face life's uncertainties with confidence. You won't go into debt when unexpected costs arise. This fund helps you manage without relying on credit. You can handle them with confidence. Build your emergency fund today for a more secure tomorrow. Section 4. Conquer your debt. Snowball versus avalanche. Debt can be overwhelming and stressful, affecting many aspects of your life. But you can conquer it with the right strategy and a solid plan. Two popular methods are the snowball and the avalanche, each with its unique approach. The snowball method focuses on motivation and quick wins. You pay off the smallest debts first, regardless of interest rates. This creates momentum and keeps you going, making you feel accomplished. The avalanche method, on the other hand, prioritizes interest savings. You tackle the debt with the highest interest rate first, which can save you more money over time. This saves you money in the long run and reduces the total interest paid. Choose the method that suits you best, based on your financial situation and personal preferences. The key is to be consistent with your payments, ensuring you stay on track. Celebrate your victories along the way, no matter how small they may seem. Section 5. Invest and grow your wealth. Investing is crucial for long-term financial growth. It's about putting your money to work for you. Start by investing in simple options. Index funds and ETFs are a great place to begin. They offer diversification and are relatively low cost. Consider tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks and IRAs. Investing can seem complex, but it doesn't have to be. Many resources are available to help you get started. Remember, the earlier you start, the better.